So it's very grey. They said there'd be rain. There's only been little bits here and there. I'm currently sowing the sweet corn. Just putting one in each module here. And we'll see if there's actually the same number as is stated on the outside of the packet. This variety is Swift. It's an F1. I do have another variety in the seed box, but I thought, yeah, this'll do. I already did one of these, which is another 15, so this will make 30 plants. I'm just going to squeeze these two bits in. No, I shouldn't really, but might as well give it a go. And you might better see that I'm just squeezing the compost back over. So I've moved on to some runner beans. This one is White Lady, given the RHS Award of Garden Merit. Look how big they are. I haven't got a lot of the seed, so I think I'm going to do 3 of these, see if I like them. Lovely big white seed. I need to label it before I get confused. White Lady runner bean. I'm tempted to do Bob's Black Seeded Beans. Got it from Bristol Seed Shop. So runner bean, no information available. It's a heritage variety. So I think just out of curiosity I want to grow this one. So opposite to the white ones. Look at that. Just pure black. So big. Bob's Black. Okay, so I've done white, I've done black. Given what I've already done, which is a blotto bean, tunny beans, Cosa di Violet, which is a purple bean. So 1, 2, 3. Well, there's 2 sorts of runner beans. Now I guess I need French beans next. I do have another sort called a Jerusalem runner bean, but I think I'm going to try that one this time. So I need, is this one no, that's not a French climbing bean. The purple climbing bean, yeah, that's a climbing bean. That's not what tunny are. And that's runner bean, scarlet ample. I will leave that for now. Tunny is a climbing bean with green pods. Okay. Now, do I do that's a Cherokee bean. I don't know what sort Cherokee bean is. This grows to 8 foot, so it's a big one. I guess. Might as well chuck it in. Ooh, lots of black seeds. Let's compare them to these seeds, which are white. And Cherokee bean here. Are they going to be black or white? Can't get into it. Really? It's not very helpful dropping these scissors in the watering can. Okay. Oh, I need to drop these. These are a bit kind of, they look different. Out of curiosity, I'm just going to grow these. They look a little bit dried up. I don't know if they're dwarf or tall. I'll put 2 pods in each, because there's a couple of the seeds that don't look that great. And Cherokee bean. I don't know if it's dwarf or climbing. I'm going to wrap these ones back up. And I think I'm going to do these 8-foot Cherokee beans. They look in a bit better condition. A very small bean compared to the Bob's Black. But I know you probably can't see me actually put them onto the soil. Okay. Let's do another label. I think that should hold things. Can we get this shut? Come on. Don't break on me. I haven't seen any dwarf beans. Right, let me show you. Down here. Oops, nope. Like that. Nope. Okay, I'll take it out. So here, this is what I mean by these are white. That's a white lady runner bean. That's a Bob's Black, because they don't know the origin of it normally. These are the Cherokee ones that are supposed to be 8 foot tall, and these are Cherokee ones which look a different colour, and they don't know if that is climbing or dwarf. So I'll cover that up with soil and put it over here with the rest. Well, I've just quickly sown some rows of lettuce in here, and in between the rows of lettuce there's rows of radish. I'm going to leave this propped open, and hopefully no cats will dig in it. Hopefully I'll get some lettuce. I think that's me definitely done for today. I have planned today lots and lots. Courgettes, pumpkins, edible ones, Big Macs, you know, just to try and get a great big one. Different sorts of tomatoes, borlotti beans, runner beans, French climbing beans. What else? Oh, lettuce, the beetroot, sweet corn. So lots. Okay, that's going to do. That's all I can do today. I'm off in the house. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.